Let's use this formula to solve one or two questions and then we move on. In this example, it says calculate the amount of energy possessed by a 2 kilogram ball moving at a speed of 6 meters per second. Calculate the amount of energy possessed by a 2 kilogram ball moving at a speed of 6 meters per second. In this question, we are not told what energy we're supposed to calculate, but we need to have in the back of our heads that the ball is moving. So we are going to calculate kinetic energy. Now let's see what we were given in the question and then list them down. Since we are calculating kinetic energy, mass was given to be equal to 2 kilograms. So 2 kg is equal to our mass. Whenever you see grams, kilograms, we're talking about mass. But in this case, our mass should always be in kilograms. Luckily, in our question, our mass is in kilograms. Moving at a speed of 6 meters per second. So here we see meters per second. So that clearly should be our velocity. So V is equal to 6 meters per second. Now let's go to our formula for kinetic energy. Ke is equal to half times mv squared. Now let's replace the m and then the v with our values. So Ke is equal to 1 over 2 or half times the mass, which is 2, times the velocity, which is 6. But don't forget the velocity has a square attached to it, so 6 square. This is going to give us 1 over 2, and then going by bit mass or ped mass, we have 2 times 6 square will give us 36. We need to solve what is in the bracket first, but inside the bracket we also have a number with an exponent. So 6 to the power 2 will need to be solved first. 6 times 6 will give us 36. And this is going to give us 1 over 2. Now we can solve what is in the bracket. 2 times 36 is 72. Now 1 over 2 times 72 can also be stated as half of 72. Half of 72. When we divide 72 into 2, what are we going to get? We're going to get 36. And remember, we are calculating kinetic energy. So the units for our answer should be joules.